ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 21 ದ ಚೋಳಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ಆಫ್ ದ್ವಾರ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೋಳಾಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ತಂಜಾವೂರ್. ದ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ Cholas was dash. Answer is Mahasabha. Third one, the most famous Cholas educational center or Agrahara was dash. Answer is Uttara Merur. Fourth one, the temple of Beguru near Bengaluru built by the Cholas was dash. Answer is Choleshwara. Fifth one, the army of the bodyguards during the time of the Hoysala was dash. Answer is Garuda. Sixth one, the poem written by Raghavanka dash. Answer is Harichandra Kavya. Next heading nodi makla, answer the following. First one, who was the founder of the Chola kingdom? Answer is Karikala Chola was the founder of Chola kingdom. Next question ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, 8th one, write a note on the significant features of the Chola administration. Answer is the Chola administration was developed on the basis of the self-governance of the village. The Grama Sabha were the first Sabha. Tarakuram was a village. Every Kuram had a village committee named Mahasabha. This was also called Perumguri and its members were Perumakkal. They were elected through elections. Only Sanskrit schools and rich people were allowed to stand for election. Next, 9th question. Describe the encouragement given by Hoysalas to literature. Answer is poets, books or works. First one, Rudrapatta, Jagannath Vijaya. Second one, Janna, Yashodhara, Charity. Third one, Harihara, Girija Kalyana. Fourth one, Raghavanka, Harichandra Kavya. Fifth one, Keshi Raja, Shabdamani Darpana. Sixth one, Ramanujacharya, Sri Basya. And the last one is Parashara Bhatta, Sri Guna Ratnakosha. ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳು ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಬೈ ಬಾಯ್.